Okay, when we power on the MMC for the first time, they are all with address 02. So we have to go to the iController, we keep this button pressed until it goes to address, and then we use these two buttons to go left and right in the menu, and we have to find A1. A1. We confirm, not with this, but with that one, okay. We click it another time, and we wait 10 seconds that these LEDs start to flash. Okay, the LEDs are flashing, so now they are ready to receive address number 01. We have to just to press the button here, and the LED becomes green. You see, these are still flashing. This one became green, and now the controller is proposing address 2. So we do the same operation. Green. The controller will propose address 3. Alright. Green. The propose address 4. Green. Okay. They still show address 2. But if we reset the network, we will go out. So now you can press the confirm button. They are rebooting. They show milk rate interpulse. They show the software release. In this case, it's 100.643. We have to upgrade it. And now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. We connected the icon to our PC, so the red icon now is on. We have to find out on which communication port it appears. So we go in the control panel, and now Brian shows us one of the different paths to reach the communication port. You see, we have different USB devices. The one that we are looking for is this. So we go to hardware and we find out that it's on communication port 4. Very good. So we can go out. We can start our iMilk uploader. You already started, I think. No. Okay. We have to select now communication port 4, and we can test the network to see if there is communication. Perfect. If we select port 1, port 2, port 3, this will not appear. Very good. We are ready to program. First of all, we have to select MMC, because otherwise we program for MXXN. Okay, now if we network test is okay, stop the test. If we click load the software, load, we search for the software that we intend to load on the, hey, come on, it's not focused. Yeah. And then this will appear on our computer. In theory, now we click start, and in theory we send it, but we didn't make a particular operation, so we get an error. The error, sorry, it's in Italian. It says that we have to set panel number 1 in programming mode, the master. So let's do it. To set panel number 1 in master, in programming mode, we need to use a magnet. We can go with the magnet behind this thing here, and if we hit the right point, yes, it will appear inf. So the magnet should go close to this component here. That's a read contact. If you don't have a magnet, I will show you how to make a small short circuit. We are now in the internal menu of the panel, and now we can click the button in order to reach the programming function. Programming, we find it, we keep it pressed, and it shows that it's off. We keep it pressed to turn it on. No. Let's do it again. From scratch. Continue, it's a loop. So you find it again. Okay, we keep it pressed. It's still off, release. It's still off. Okay, we keep it pressed. We turn it on. Now it's on. We go to ESC. We keep it pressed. Now we are ready to program correctly our system. Click start. And this time the system starts to upload the software correctly, hopefully. You have to wait. Okay, the operation is complete. So we can click on OK. And when we reboot the system, in theory, they will be on version 47. It is also possible to use this PIC programmer to program each panel one by one. Okay, how to do it? First of all, you have to download a software that we will give you together with the programmer, or we can email you the latest one. And once you have installed the software, you will need the administrator password to install the software. You will get the white screen like this, or maybe some information requiring you to select the right programmer. So you go in programmer, select programmer, if this is focusing correctly, and you select, can you go back, Brian, because it was not probably focused. You select 6 pick 3. This is the correct, you see pick 3 is the one that we want to use. Okay, now we have to select the correct micro that we intend to program. There is a long list, so you go to configure, select. Can you go back? You're too fast. Okay, configure, select device. This thing is not focusing. Okay, you have to select from a long list exactly this model. Please make a screenshot because there are several firmware, several micro with the similar code. Okay, once we made this operation, we are ready to plug it in. You see that it says that you have first to connect the PIC to a target device. So let's connect it. This is the connector, and you can see that there is a white arrow on this side. This white arrow shall match the white arrow that you have here. See, there is a white arrow on this side here. So you cannot put it this way, you have to turn it around so that the white arrow will match with this one. You see, we have the message that we need to connect our device, so let's connect it. And as soon as we connect it, this message will appear. The target device has been detected. So now you can go to the folder where we stored our firmware, and you can drag and drop it in the window. Release it. Okay, now we have this message that says that we have uploaded our software, but the first operation is to cancel the memory. So we go to erase flash device. You see it's this white button here. We click it, and we get the message that the firmware has been cancelled from the device. So then we go to the first yellow button on the left, program. We click program, and the system starts to program our panel. When the operation is finished, the panel will reboot and it will show the new software release. It's booting now, it's very fast operation. And now we have MMC release 100.647. Good. If we do it with the PIC programmer, then we have to repeat the same operation on all the other panels manually, unfortunately. If we want to program the software is already there. We only need to plug it in. Okay. Device detected. So now we first of all erase the software, and you see that a strange message appears. It's never the same. And now we click program. Click.
Failed to erase device.
Okay, we didn't erase the device correctly. We do it again. Okay, now it's complete, but you see there is the same strange message. No problem. And now we click on programming. We are programming it, and when it comes to the end, it will immediately show the new software release. But you see that the other two that we have already programmed, they went back to the default address 02. That is the default address. So that means that we shall do from scratch the address operation through the iController. Now it's booting
Complete.
and we will see the new software release. MMC release 100.647. Very good.